Hello friends, welcome to Dr. Usman's EduTrends. How are you all? Hope you're all doing great and good at home. So today we will be talking about the opportunities in clinical research organizations for Pharm.D postgraduate students. So what do you mean by the CRO? Contract or Clinical Research Organization. It is an organization to which a contract has been given. Who will give this contract and for what? Let us see now. CRO, Clinical Research Organization, is defined as a person or organization that is contracted by sponsor to perform one or more of the sponsored trial-related duties and functions. In simple language, it is an organization that is contracted by sponsor to support the company in the clinical trials related programs. The main aim of the CRO, it should decrease the cost of the companies in developing new medications. So almost some of the work is done by these CROs. So burden of the companies will be decreased and also to simplify the entry into drug markets. CRO are doing the complete documentation work and then it will be easy for the companies to enter into drug markets. First one, there will be a project initiation step, that is they will design the concept and feasibilities, and the next step is product development and preclinical test, that is they will be doing prototyping development, validation, verification and bench test, etc. These entire things are performed by CRO itself. Coming to the clinical trials, there they will be developing these protocols and they will be initiating and monitoring their investigations, data analysis and reporting. All this is again done by CROs, and CROs will also go for necessary regulatory submissions and they will also check for post-marketing surveillance and phase 4 of clinical trials. There are various roles in clinical research organization like clinical research associate, regulatory affairs executive, co-investigator, drug safety associate, clinical research coordinator, associate clinical trials site manager, programming manager and clinical project manager. So at the entry level, the person with Pharm.D post-graduation can enter as Clinical Research Associate. A Clinical Research Associate will be involved in all stages of clinical trial, including identifying an investigation site and setting up, initiating, monitoring, and closing the trial upon completion or termination. Here, the job is to liaisoning with the doctors, consultant, or investigators on conducting the trial, setting up the trial site, which includes ensuring each center has a trial material, including trial drug, often known as investigational medicinal product. The salary will be around 25 to 30,000 per month. The next one is Regulatory Affairs Executive. We have already discussed this in drug regulatory affairs job prospects. This person will oversee the entire regulation process and product requiring governmental approvals by ensuring that all necessary applications are filled and handling all government interactions. The salary will be around 25 to 30,000 per month. And moving on to the co-investigator drug safety associate, which is a pharmacovigilance sector job. And we have already discussed this in that particular video. A drug safety associate is responsible for assessing the safety of pharmaceutical drugs once they are on the market. Using standardized guidelines, they determine whether the medication causes any adverse effects in patients and report their finding back to the pharmacovigilance department. The salary will be around 28 to 33,000 per month. And then next comes the fourth one, that is Clinical Research Coordinator. A Clinical Research Coordinator facilitates and coordinates the daily clinical trial activities and plays a critical role in conduct of the study, scheduling the study subject appointments, and serves as a patient liaison to the principal investigator and other participating physicians. He will be paid a salary of 18 to 20,000 per month, and the person is promoted to Clinical Research Coordinator. Now, the fifth position is co-investigator or study coordinator investigator. The co-investigator are the key personnel who have responsibilities similar to that of principal investigator on research projects. These faculties are not responsible for conduct of the project. These faculty participants may participate in research, may collect salary, and may have a role in publication. At senior level, this person will be entering into management field and may become director of the project, director of the clinical research, data manager, or director of regulatory affairs. So these are the various entry level, middle level, and senior level And these are the various designations where Pharm.D postgraduates will be entering into clinical research organizations. I hope this video is informative to you all. We will meet again soon with another informative video. Thank you.